In today's video, we started with this cabinet we got, and we are going to go over the first step of refinishing a piece of furniture, which is cleaning your piece. So some supplies you're going to want on hand are a scrubby brush and a screwdriver. For cleaning, we like LA Totally Awesome. You can get this right from the dollar store. We like to use Dawn soap mixed with water. Or another good option is vinegar mixed with water. And you're also going to want some rags. And I usually get 2 buckets of water. If you're going to be using the Totally Awesome cleaner, I recommend that you wear a good mask. And what I'm doing here is I am spraying the entire piece of furniture. The Totally Awesome cleanser comes in a spray bottle. And once I feel like I covered it pretty well, I'm going to take my bucket of clean water and this scrubby brush, and I'm just going to scrub over the entire piece of furniture. You really want to focus on any of the molding, any of the detail on the piece of furniture, anywhere that dust and dirt can kind of just settle in over the years. And you also want to clean inside your piece, any of the shelving, and inside the drawers and the cubbies. I like to remove the hardware, and you can set those aside and cleanse them separately, and then you just want to scrub over where the hardware was sitting. Now, a good option if you do not have a scrubby brush is a toothbrush as well. It is small enough and it gets in all of the grooves and detail. As you're cleaning your piece of furniture, this is a good time to just look it over and see what kind of repairs may need to be done. On this particular cabinet, the bones of the furniture were strong, but it did have some imperfections. There was some missing molding. We had some bent hinges. The glass in the door was not the original, and it was not placed in properly. And then we had some veneer that was lifting and bubbling. And we will show you how we took care of that in an upcoming video. So once I had it scrubbed, I then took my clean bucket of water and a clean rag, and I just rinsed off all of the Totally Awesome cleanser really well. Now, when you're cleaning the piece, you're going to get it wet. That is okay. You just do not want standing water to be sitting on your furniture. So you just want to make sure you do not leave any cleanser behind on any piece of the wood. Now, sometimes, depending on how dirty the piece of furniture was, you may need to give it 2 good cleanings. And another thing I did not mention in the beginning was that I am wearing gloves. This is a good idea just to help keep the oils on your fingers off of the piece as you're cleaning it. Paint will not stick to any areas that have oil. And then here I am just taking the dry rag and I'm just drying off the entire piece of furniture. Now, I hope this was an informative video for all of you. Cleaning your piece of furniture is one of the most important steps to refinishing a piece. And there are many different ways that you can do things, and we just wanted to show you our way. We will have a series of videos of us refinishing this piece. If you need any paint products, they can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. And if you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below. Guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.